Yes, good morning to you guys. The birds are 18 weeks today, 3 days. And yesterday I received my first two eggs. And today I done pick up one. Let me show you guys. One of the eggs. Yes guys, this is the size of the egg when it's now start laying. Take a good look of it. So yes guys, keep subscribing for more and you will see more of my birds out I'm going. So you guys could subscribe. If you keep watching this video, subscribe to this channel and let's grow this channel together so YouTube could start paying me. I plan to extend the business more. So you guys, love you guys. Keep subscribing for more. And you want to see more of that my frog laying eggs. Keep subscribing for more and see the meeting. Yes. And see shavings. This is the bed. So keep liking and subscribe for more and be a part of this channel. So love you guys. Guys, please subscribe and let's grow this channel together. So be a part of it. Share this video. If you want to comment anything, yes, you comment anything you want on this channel. Comment. I have but 81 birds in here right now. 81 birds. I had more than this, but I was 120 in bring, and the rest dead when it's small. Yeah, rats. Kill them, the rats them kill it. So I know you guys like watching my channel. Keep liking, subscribe for more. If you're watching for the first time, subscribe for more and check out my other channel. Yes, my other channel is GP. GNP. Yes. Yes. So love you guys always. So love you guys always. God bless you guys. Keep subscribing for more. Yes. Check out my another channel, Wildlife. Wildlife Guyana. Yeah, Wildlife Guyana. Nice Wildlife Guyana. I'll let you guys know in the next video the channel. So if you're watching this channel, subscribe for more. Keep liking, subscribing for more, and let's grow this channel together. If you want to send an hatching machine for me, planning for 2024 goal is to start hatching my own chicks and raise them. So subscribe for more. Love you guys. Keep on watching this channel. Let's grow this channel together. These birds are 18 weeks, 3 days now, and production slowly right now. They're now starting, but we can grow this channel together. So guys, subscribe and let's grow this channel together. So YouTube could start paying me. Yes. You guys, when you subscribe, you don't have to pay anything. YouTube is pay us for your subscribers, and so love you guys. Keep supporting this channel. God bless you all. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Love you guys. And I'll be praying for you guys all to watch my channel. Yes. I love all you guys who support this channel. Keep supporting it. And help us grow this channel. Love you. Thank you.